Are you a beginner who wants to speak English fluently but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the basics of learning how to speak English clearly, confidently, and effectively. Whether you're learning for work, travel, or school, this guide is perfect for you. Let's break down English learning into simple stages you can follow every day, without getting overwhelmed. Start by learning how to greet people and introduce yourself. Simple phrases like, hello, my name is, how are you, nice to meet you. These are the building blocks of every conversation. Practice them aloud. Record yourself and listen. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Every day, learn 5 to 10 new words. Start with words you use in your daily life. Food, family, jobs, places. For example, apple, teacher, bus, happy, home. Make your own flashcards. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to practice on the go. And don't just memorize. Speak the word in a full sentence. That's how real learning happens. Begin using everyday English sentences. These help you speak naturally. Some examples. Can I help you? Where are you from? I'm learning English. You can even practice by talking to yourself in the mirror. It's one of the fastest ways to build fluency. Listening is just as important as speaking. Watch English movies, YouTube videos, or listen to English podcasts. Start with subtitles, then try without them. Repeat after native speakers. Try shadowing, where you speak along with what you hear. This helps your pronunciation and rhythm. Speak out loud every day, even if no one is listening. Describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making tea. This simple habit builds your fluency quickly. If you have friends learning English, talk with them. You can also join online speaking groups on apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Speaky. One powerful tip: start thinking in English. If you see a chair, say, chair, in your mind. If you feel happy, say, I feel happy. Thinking in English removes the need to translate from your native language, and that's the key to speaking fluently. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. Comment below, what's the biggest challenge you face while speaking English? Keep practicing, and remember, your voice matters.